where to find the Holo audio feature, which is a new sound effect feature found on your OnePlus 12 or the 12R. So unlike Dolby Atmos, there is no quick toggle, so you'll need to go into the main settings of your OnePlus 12, 12R phone. Then from here now, you'll need to go into the sounds and vibration. Then go down to where it says sound effects, and you'll see Holo sound. So the good thing about Holo sound, or the Holo audio, I should say, you can still use Dolby Atmos and a Holo audio together at the same time. And you don't really need to have a connected Bluetooth device for this to work. You can also go to the custom section here and customize the things that you hear from the multiple different audio sources, okay? So that's all this is basically. And of course, turning it off just basically means it's off, and turning it on will give you access to these options, okay? And it's just gonna be useful to such limited audio sources, all right? Just so you know. But you can experiment. Let me know in the comments section how well it worked for you so others can know too. Like and sub.